All right, today is April 1st. It's Easter here in the Philippines, and for those that believe in Easter, happy Easter. For those that don't, like I said, it's April 1st, April Fool's Day. I'm sure you're gonna find a joke in there somewhere. But anyways, we are doing nothing today. We're not going over to the store. Luis's brother's actually over there right now, and he's got it open. And we told him, if you want to open it, open it. We want to shut it down, shut it down. But we're doing nothing. I think a little bit later on, we're going to head up and go swimming at one of the hotels here. Let's see, Lou was up at like 7 o'clock this morning. She went to the market and did some shopping up there. Everything's open now. The malls are open, stores are open. And I even think the market was open this past weekend. But you know, I don't know if a lot of people shop or not. But anyways, yeah, she was up there. She was busy this morning. And right now everybody's chilling. You got Look there, she's chilling.
Happy Easter Day. And happy, what's today? April Fools, right?
Yeah, April Fools.
Yeah, April Fools. I tried to remember what I should put in my Facebook, but I can't remember.
And Hannah Grace is chilling like a villain. Got her tablet ready, got her tablet out.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Well,
She asked me what time we should go swimming. I said later on.
So that's it, guys. That is what we are doing today. We're just gonna chill out. I need to shave. I need to do a Lego, and we'll see where this day goes. All right, we are up at the Premier Hotel right now. It's a hotel that's up near our house, and what's nice is you can come up here, and I think we just spent 100 pesos each for Lut and I, and 50 pesos for Hannah Grace. And you come up here and swim. It's a nice pool. A lot of hotels in this area will do that. You go up, or you can go in and pay a price. Some will have like a set fee of like, say, 300 pesos or 500 pesos, but then you'll get that back in consumables. But here you don't get it back in consumables. That's just your entrance fee. Actually ordered something, got to get something to eat before I jump in the pool, but I'm gonna show you around here the Premier Hotel. It's a nice hotel, nice swimming pool. It's not the most expensive, it's not the cheapest hotel, but what's nice is for 250 pesos, we can come up here, hang out, and just, you know, swim for the day. All right, so this is the outside swimming area of the Premier Hotel. I'll swing around the back here and show you. They got some pool tables in here, foosball. We got a bar area right here. Like I said, the only time I've ever come here was to go swimming, and we've come here quite a few times, but you can see it's really nice. It's decorated really nice, landscape really nice. This is the back area here. Got some big dining tables back here. Hello.
Hello.
You good? Got some dining area back here with the canopy on top. Nighttime they're open. Like I said, it's a restaurant too, so they do serve food here. But yeah, this is it. You know, a lot of these hotels, until you step inside, you don't really know what's going on inside. But behind the blocked wall, see right behind that wall right there is Don Juco Avenue. Right up there is where they're building the new mall, from what I'm told. So right behind that wall is the highway. Don Juco, Fields Avenue, whatever you want to call it. They keep it clean here. I said it's not the most modern hotel, but it's clean. It's nice. Nice landscaping here. And over here is the pool. Let me step up here quick. It's like a little kiddie pool right here. For the kids to hang out and swim. Little swimming pool here. Little water flowing right there. But yeah, this is it. No lifeguard on duty. This is the swimming pool. Like I said, open to the public. You can come in here. 100 pesos for adults, 50 for kids. Lut's already in the pool, swimming. Hannah Grace. I don't know, it's about, I don't know, cloudy today. Sun's out some, but it is warm. There's Lit, Hannah Grace. What do you guys say, Paul? How's the water?
Huh?
How's the water?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Hannah Grace. Hannah Grace. How's the water? Good? I say don't splash. This is my waterproof camera.
Don't splash.
Yeah.
Okay ba yun, Ma?
Yeah.
Ako na magganunin mo.
Do not have the waterproof camera.
Ilalim.
So I better not drop this camera. Else I will be very upset. Ah, it feels so good. I tell you, Lit really needed a break today. She has been going strong ever since the store opened. Open early in the morning, staying there late, opening weekends, staying late, opening early. Yeah, Lit needed a break for sure. And Hannah Grace needed a break for sure. Everybody needed a break. Get a little water in your ear, pal?
Yeah.
Little water in your ear, never hurt anybody. Hannah Grace is like a fish in water, guys. If there's water and there's a pool or there's an ocean or there's a river, she is like a fish in water. She will swim all day. She will be swimming here all day, I can guarantee you that. She loves the water. She'll swim till her lips turn purple, till her fingers turn old, till her feet turn old, until her lips are shaking because she's cold. And if you ask her if she's cold and she wants to get out, she'll still say no. She is a fish in water. Let's do an underwater acrobatics.
Ma, dyan ka lang. Pupuntahan kita. Dyan ka lang. Dyan ka lang.
Well, time to get out, guys. Our food has arrived. Yeah, it's Lut's food. Wow, what did you get, Lut? What is this, Hannah Grace?
Pau sinigang.
Shrimp.
Shrimp.
Sinigang.
Shrimp sinigang. Lut got shrimp sinigang. Shrimp sinigang. With French fries. Or no, with rice. I got a ham sandwich with French fries. Mine's on its way. Looks really good. Alright guys, so today Liberty will not be making an appearance because we are not over at the store. We haven't been there all day because today is a day for us to just chill and relax, Easter Sunday. But I do have a special guest that's going to make an appearance. And if you've been following my channel for a while, you're going to recognize a special guest. So without further ado, here is the special guest. You guys, it's old Meow Meow. Those that follow my channel know about Meow Meow. If you just started following, a few months ago, Meow Meow got beat up really bad. She's one of the local cats here. She just hangs out here. We feed her, we take care of her. She just hangs out here. And like I said, a couple months ago, she was laying by one of the doorsteps, and she wasn't moving, and we thought she was dead. The guard here went out and, you know, dug a hole for her and everything. And but yeah, her face was all beat up. We think a dog got a hold of her. She disappeared for a while. She lost a lot of weight, but as you can see, old Meow Meow is back. Her face looks good. There's no marks on her. She still has her tooth missing from whatever happened, but yep, there's old Meow Meow. And we also have another special guest. No, it's not that. Old Tommy Boy. This is old Tommy Boy. Tommy Boy showed up here a few months ago, and he was all skinny, and for some reason Meow Meow liked Tommy Boy and left Tommy Boy hang out and stay here. And so Tommy Boy's another hangout, and we feed him too, and he's put on quite a bit of weight. And for some reason now he starts getting into it with old Meow Meow. He wants to fight Meow Meow. I think Meow Meow's become her girlfriend. But there it is, old Tommy Boy and old Meow Meow.
I will give you food, okay?
Yeah, Tommy Boy's a fat boy, or Tommy Boy and Meow Meow are both getting fat. We feed them way too much. You guys, check out the mango on the mango tree across the road from us. Starting to turn. It's a big mango tree. Let me pan out and I'll show you how big it is. That is one big mango tree. Last year we got some mangoes off of it, but you can hear the mangoes fall all day long, and they land on the metal roof right here. That house and that house. I'll tell you what, if I was living in that house there, it'd scare the shit out of me, especially if they fell in the middle of the night. But that's a big massive mango tree there. Alright guys, I think I'm going to wrap this one up. It's been a great day. It's been a very relaxing day. Lut definitely needed it. She's been going and going and going and going non-stop since the store. But yeah, it was just a very chilling, relaxing day. You gotta have one of these days once in a while. But yeah, even though she's having a relaxing day, she's inside doing laundry. But yeah, anyways, actually went down to the Barretto's meat place here today. It's a meat and deli place. They sell meats and cheeses and have a little restaurant in there, but picked up some ribeye steak and marinated them today, and that's what we're having for dinner tonight. I think they're Australian ribeyes. Last time I got ribeyes here, I think it was Brazilian ribeyes, but they have good steaks here. They're very tender, and if you marinate them, man, they just taste great. But yeah, there they are, guys. They are on the grill. They are cooking away. Having a little barbecue out here tonight. And once these are done, we're going to go in, have a little feast, relax, maybe watch a little TV, maybe go upstairs in the air condition and relax. Oh, I got to edit this video. And I guess tomorrow the journey continues. Tomorrow we're going to be busy. We got soda and beer. We got to pick up, Lut needs more cigarettes. We got to restock the store. What else? Grab some rice, grab some charcoal, but we're going to be busy tomorrow. And tomorrow the journey continues, and you guys are going to ride along with us.